town, the luck in the best of order, and we welcome them to Belfast town with the bonfire on the border. The Queen put a muffler round her neck, assisted by her women. The King walked up and down the deck, surrounded by his G-men. And when he asked, "What is there I see?" the reply was there in order. It is Ireland united in loyalty, with the bonfire on the border. Some say the sport was Ulster's own, and some that it was extraneous, but the darn man swore that it left it slow, the combustion being spontaneous. A lad who loves the King and Queen, and who stands for law and order, says the flames were orange, white and green in that bonfire on the border. Well, here's to the lads that played the game, and here's to the minds that planned it, and here's to the hands that lit the flame, and here's to the winds that fanned it. May it blaze again from shore to shore, consuming our land's disorder. May it leap and roar and die no more, till it burns